Hello students, welcome to Mahavir classes. Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is square and a square root. In this chapter we will study what is a square number and what are base and power, representation of a square, then what are the methods to find square of a number. So in the previous lesson, previous chapter we had discussed, then we had discussed a rational number having base and integers having power. So if we base a and its power 2, then the numbers becomes a to the power 2. So when a is multiplied to another a, so it becomes a to the power 2. So literally a to the power 2 is called as a square of a, square of a, square of a. So for example, when 5 is multiplied to another 5, so then it becomes 5 square, so it is called as a square of 5. That is called as a square of 5. So in this another example, for example, another example, when 8 is multiplied to another 8, then it becomes 8 square, so it is called as a square, it is literally called as a square of 8. From from these two example, we can say that when same number is multiplied to when same number is multiplied 2 times, then it is called as a power of that number. So it is represented any number power 2. So what are it is represented having, for example, 9 square. This is represented in 9 to the power 9 square, so that in the number, then it becomes 81. And there are 4 methods. Then what are the methods? The methods to find square of methods of finding square. So there are basically 4 methods. One is the method of identities, and the first one is method of identities. So in the algebraic identities, that is a plus b whole square, then it is called as a square plus b square plus 2ab. And for example, we can apply, for example, 42 square. In this it can be written in that as a 42 plus 2 square. So it becomes a plus b whole square, so 40 square. So 40 square, 2 as written 2 as a b, so b square plus 2 into 40 into 2, so that it becomes 40 square, that means 1600. 2 square 4 plus 40 80 and 160, so it becomes 1600 plus 160, 1764. So the another method is methods of another that method of identities, that is another method of identities, that is a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2b. So in that we can calculate, that means 38 square as a, for example, 38 square as a 40 minus 2 whole square. So 40 square plus 2 square minus 2 into 40 into 2, so that 1600. So 4 square, 2 square is 4, and minus 40 into 2, 80 and 80 into 2 160. So here 160, so that 200 that means 40 42 40 40 44. That means 160 116 600 160 164 44. That means 44. That means 1444. So here there are two methods. In this lecture we studied two methods of us finding square, and in the next class we will discuss another two methods of us square, that is methods of that is diagonal method, and another one method is, third method is color method, and fourth method is diagonal method. So in the next class we will discuss that. Thank you.